fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean,
we're in a special little town near you. Just like baby. Look at that. But so I lost my sledgehammer that my mom bought me, but I know I put it in the car for sure, but I can't find it. But I have to go back and try to find it again because we're gonna need it to put these signs down. So yeah, I gotta pee. Good exercise. Then we can top it off with the pool. Oh, it sounds like it's about to rain.
Nah, I'm way back there, bro.
Lights down, right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the
I got the Santana crispy chicken tacos. They got the same thing, but he got the deluxe box, but I just got one with some mild sauce. And he got the mango whip.
lights down, right now, put me in the
I can't even say that. That was my favorite. I've been hanging on to that one for like a little minute, but like, I think this is a good spot to put it. Right when Dixie, right in the middle. Everybody looking at it, you know. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna hit the curve. This is just so beautiful. Period. And then the other one is like way over there. You know, I got them close. So sometimes people know what I'm talking about. Period.
I recognize your fragrance.
After we get there. Well, but we halfway.
All these stops. Hold on. Let's see how they can see it. But
Wait, let me see.
all them stops right there.
Yeah, we heading to Georgia next. Then South Carolina, North Carolina, Vermont. I don't know what that. Oh, Delaware, and then New York.
Ooh, Columbia and South Carolina.
So yeah, we got a couple more stops left. And we got the train. I mean, not the train station. We at the bus station right now waiting for our next bus. Y'all, we passing St. John River. Yeah, so now we're on the bus, and we got like a couple of stops, like I said. And yeah, we're about to kick back a little bit, get some sleep, because it's actually kind of hard to sleep on the bus when you're traveling on the bus. But we're back on the road now, so I'll see you guys when we do our pit stop. this place is called, but we were just walking the strip and we came in here. It's kind of like a Chinese store at the bottom. Oh, baby, they got bar stools too, but they red. What's up with the red? And then up top, yeah, they got furniture up here. So we're upstairs looking at some of the furniture. Let me get y'all a little view, a little peek outside. Yeah. A little bit of the bar stool. Yeah, they got a few quite nice little things in here. Oh, I really like this. My bar. Now I could have this a bar at the house with all my brand new bottles on it and shit like that. How that looks at. Growing up as a kid, everybody had one of these in their room. Show y'all what I'm working with today.
Ooh, that girl is real so sexy.
Alright, you guys, just look at this amazing, breathtaking view just from Wells Fargo's window. It was just so beautiful. I just had to catch this amazing moment on camera.
I'm already corn gorgeous.
No, baby, you supposed to be right here so you can try to get the Alright, we're going to the mall now. for like people that always served or something like that.
World Trade Center family trailer.
Cool. I really do enjoy doing these things, and what makes it even more cool is my boyfriend's with me and we're exploring it together. I left him back there, so yeah guys, it's just like pretty cool how you just see like exactly where certain stuff come from, and just the history behind it is just amazing. And this is by far most the nicest museum we done been to since we've been here. This is the only one so far too, but it's really nice. Get on the train. So these are like all the fire trucks over time, over the years. So cool. It's called the Conventional Center, the Egg. It just have like really nice artwork in here. It goes all the way down there. Yeah, I did take my shoes off because my toenails on my toes hurt really bad. So I had to take my shoes off because I was getting really uncomfortable. When I get uncomfortable and get aggravated, it's just not fun anymore. So I had to take them out to get comfortable. Yeah, this place is pretty freaking huge. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the trees. Look at the trees, red and green. Oh my god, they be snapping. And look at all the mountains and stuff back there. Look at the mountains. Look how far the mountains go. There's so many mountains out here. It's just beautiful. Really beautiful. So right now I'm super duper excited. I decided to pull out the camera just so I can share this moment with you guys. So for those of you guys who don't know, I do have my own clothing line called Exclusive Obsessions, period. Make sure y'all follow us on all our social media. It's gonna be on the screen in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go over and check us out. We do have a 20% off sale going on right now with them. So nevertheless, y'all, let's get into this sewing machine. So yeah, I've been looking for this thing for the past 2 days, and I've really been looking at it. And today I was like, you know what? I think that's it. I pulled it out, and it was it. This how big it is, y'all. It comes in here, and then I seen it because it said sewing machine on there, y'all. I'm super excited to open this. I'm ready to practice on it and just start making some exclusive pieces, period. Where you be bold, be raw, and be you the exclusive way, period, because ain't no other way. Okay, but yeah, y'all, like, I'm so freaking happy to open this. Like, I'm so ready to like test running and stuff. So let me just stop talking and go set it up for you guys so you guys can see what it look like, and then we can start making these exclusive pieces, period. Okay guys, so I got it set up here on the little table. I'm just gonna put it right here because this is where some good this is a good one, guys. Instructions. Has the foot peg, so I control it when sewing. This is so cool. Oh, this is so cool, y'all. This is really like an old school one, but it is still get the job done. Still in good condition as well. Beautiful condition to be this old as it is. I'm not sure how old it is, but I know compared to the newer models, this is an older version. So I'm gonna get it closer for you guys to see. Really nice. So I got the length if I need to reverse any kind of designs I want to try to do on there. Yeah, and this is the white Cleveland, Ohio quality since 1876. I tell you guys, this is a very, very old model. Put your thread there, through here, line it up with your needle, and boom, you're ready to go. This is so cool. Stay tuned. Ooh. Stay tuned to see what's coming in this store. Make sure you guys follow us on all our social media. It's gonna be on the screen in the description box down below because you don't want to miss a beat and you always want to stay in tune with the exclusive tea. Ow. Alright, y'all, so it's like 2 or 3 more days later, and I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog, but I'm about to go ahead and do my hair. Came up to my hair store, got everything that I need. I'm about to do some jumbo knot braids with some beads, period. I got all black hair with gold beads and some gold string, and right now I'm about to get ready to detangle my hair, section it off, and get it right. I forgot to give me my edge control. Oh, there it go. I was about to cry, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna get that right, and then I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like, and kind of show y'all the process of me doing my hair. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and I forgot to come back and show y'all when I was supposed to section my hair off, because I just ended up getting into it, honey. So, I'm gonna do it and show y'all what it looks like. And, yeah, I was so tired last night. So, oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna come look at it and I'm like, let me get the camera out. So, no, I don't do hair or nothing like that. So, spare your compliments. What's up, y'all? Y'all already know what it's you is.
Storm.
So me and my boyfriend is about to watch the new Halloween on Soap today, period. Not paid for a sponsorship, but shout them out because you can literally watch any free movie on there that y'all want. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys. That way y'all can watch all the new movies, all the popular shows, all that. But boom, period. So yeah, we just got a few snacks here and we just gonna watch us some movie. And I'm also finna get me a cup of tea because if you guys can hear, I'm kind of stuffy. But nevertheless, we just finna vibe out and yeah.
Storm.